Next to me. It's been so nice to be able to make the trek back up from Nashville to come home for a little while. We're going to start off with a song that I wrote. It's called American Born. It's cattails by the levee, with the water hits the stars. It's a rust on that old Chevy. It's a beat-up guitar. Peachtree down in Georgia, it's a Shenandoah Fall. It's a boy in California with a Carolina draw. It's American born. It's as real as the dirt on your boots. It's American born. Running free, running deep as your roots. It's a Jericho Polo, wearing blue suede for the cane. Crank and spin Detroit, where the vinyl starts to sing. It's that lonesome cowboy on a pack of Marlboro Reds. It's an Alabama plowboy pulling a son of bed. American born. It's as free as the dirt on your boots. It's American born. Run free, run deep as your roots. It's that sweet home muscle shows, music stirring in your soul. Daisy chain, polo green, what's that rock and roll? It's the blues in Mississippi, ain't go deep in Delta mud. It's a shot of Lynchburg whiskey, puts that southern in your blood. It's the denim in your blue jeans, it's the red in that Corvette. East Coast